You know your daddy's home. It's time to play. Hey, I know you've been working on this loving all day. It's your boy, Rab on top. And today, I was like, let me make a reaction video. And it just so happened that this bald Super Saiyan ass nigga, bro, JiDion just posted 14 minutes ago. I'm like, let me hop on the cock of this guy real quick, and let's watch the reaction video. So, y'all been asking for a live stream. I'm a live stream this week, man. Stop pressuring me, man. I'm gonna do it. Wait on it, my baby. All right. Reaction video. JiDion, typewriter during Harvard lecture. Let's do it.
I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears. You probably won't make it there. One of the options they say they will smoke with me. You don't want to take it.
I don't know why I'm so hyped right now.
Professor! Can you guys kind of make like a radius around me? My like IQ's too high. I don't want it to get lowered. Yo, what's going on over there? Is that the Boston Tea Party?
It's a prevention for future instances of hate speech and discrimination here at Harvard.
Yeah!
Bro, dog! Can I like talk for like the black community on campus? Hey guys, my name is Marquez.
Bro, him being black, bro, and him being aware that he's black, that's literally a superpower in itself. If you're black these days, remember back in December they said like, oh, black people are gonna have superpowers? This is it. This is the actual superpower. He can do whatever he wants. He has the black card. They literally let this nigga speak. He don't even go to the fucking school. He has no hair.
That's Brownlee. What's up, guys? I'm not gonna lie, today's my first day of class, but I feel like it's a reason why I'm here right now. I heard you guys talking about the racial injustice here, and I didn't save up all my bread to come to a school that does not show equality to everybody. I'll let you guys know where I'm from. I'm from the slums of Houston. You guys know NBA Youngboy? I used to ride with him. Statistically,
it's the only black dude.
I'm from the slums of Houston. You guys know NBA Youngboy?
Look at, it's just him.
Statistically,
the one nigga, man.
I'm not supposed to be here. She was talking about the racial stereotypes that people.
Y'all Asian people, there's a whole bunch of Asian people in there. Y'all Asians listen to Young Boy. Y'all fuck with Young Boy. Let me know.
People will call her. They would do the same thing to me. I might have a wave cap on, but I'm bald under here. People will call me people like Freddie Gibbs or Tracy Morgan or the guy from Fast and Furious. What's the black guy from Fast and Furious?
The Rock.
No, the other black guy.
The Rock.
Any bald black guy, I was called him. And that's not my name. My name is Marquez Brownlee. We're the generation that's gonna push our future forward to where our kids won't even know what color is. All they're gonna see is a human being for the integrity and.
Bruh, I heard, bro. I was in my college class, and she said this lady. She's like social studies class. She was like this. She was like, it's racist if you say that you don't see color. I'm like, bro. If you treat everybody the same, it don't matter what skin color you are. You know what I'm saying? Apparently, that's a racist statement saying that you don't see color. Like, I don't see color. Explain that to me. If it's racist, let me know.
And character that they have inside of them. So if you can with me, chant. It's bigger than black and white. 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 Thank you, guys.
The one nigga in there is not in his head heavy, bro. Look at him.
Bigger than black and
white.
Wish me luck on my first day of school. All right, boys, if it wasn't obvious from that intellectual speech I dropped earlier, we're at Harvard right now. You guys say you've been wanting old JiDion back and stuff like that. Oh, JiDion doesn't prank anymore. JiDion really doesn't do anything. The reason I don't do anything is because every time I do try to go out and record a prank, you guys come up to me, yo, are you going to the prank right now? And y'all mess it up. So I have to go somewhere where I know none of y'all fuckers are at. None of y'all at. Actually.
He trying to say only low IQ niggas watch JiDion. Guess what, bitch is right.
You are.
Nigga, I'm stupid.
I appreciate that. This brother's here. So basically, we're going to do a typewriter prank. Shout out to Nelk for the idea, man. They did it before. We're just going to do it in Harvard, one of the smartest schools in the country. You know, shout out Kyle. But yeah, we're about to go inside this antique shop and try to get one real quick. Hello.
Hey there, how are you today?
I need me a typewriter.
Okay, sure.
Can I have, like, pillow talk on it?
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
Like, if I want to, like, talk to, like, my shawties, like, can I, like, text all night?
Absolutely, of course you can.
Oh,
Yeah, whoa.
If it's not loud, we can't get it.
Oh, that motherfucker's loud as shit.
Can you please reiterate that?
Oh, you're actually bringing it to class.
No, yeah, the teacher said we had to bring our laptops today. Can you bring a typewriter? Well, yeah, it's a laptop. It's like the new Alienware.
Bro, Alienware used to be the PC to fuck with. Now who the fuck fucks with Alienware? You a bitch if you get Alienware.
Can I get the Harvard discount on this? Hey.
Oh shit.
I'm not gonna lie, like, I look
discount?
serious as hell.
No,
You guys
he
over here
bro,
think I'm
he looks like
making
a Harvard
stuff
nigga,
like
bro.
that, bro. I'm a scholar.
Bro, there's probably like a grand total of 2 people in Harvard that wear do-rags. There's like 5 black people, and of those 5 black people, there's like 2 that wear do-rags. He's one of them.
You have any typewriter oil?
I wonder if that motherfucker really typed though.
My keys are kind of getting sticky. Is your
Sticky
mouse
keys.
You think you're like,
Wait, if I press sticky keys, can y'all hear that? Did you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys heard that. Let me know if you guys heard that.
real quick, like to kind of like lube it up, like a little lube?
Sure?
Yeah.
Let me turn that up. That thing was low as fuck. My bad.
Bro, that's a bitch loogie, a real one.
I can't spit that before.
Ew!
Okay.
Ew! 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 He has some to spit.
You think you could like spin in this real quick?
Ew!
Like, kinda, like lube it up, like a little
Are you
lube.
sure?
Yeah.
Right.
Ew!
Bro, that's a bitch loogie, a real one.
I can't spit that before.
Okay. Siri, how do you spell necrophilia?
Necrophilia. N-E-C.
What does necrophilia mean? Doesn't it mean like a fuck animals? Where my phone at?
E-H-I-L.
Hey Siri, what's necrophilia?
It's displayed on your iPhone.
An irresistible sexual attraction to dead bodies.
I.
Shit, if that motherfucker's bro, if the bitch is hot alive, she definitely gonna be bad dead too. She gonna be bad as fuck dead as well. It don't fucking matter. Duh.
A.
Hey, you're still in a book. Hey. Can you walk through it one more time?
My phone back in the charger.
Hold this for me. Can you spread your arms?
The fuck?
Do I have a consent to touch your bum?
Absolutely not.
Consent comes first. What's this right here?
My wallet.
How much money is in there?
It's like a decent amount, honestly. Like, I've been working really hard.
All right, just give me
Yeah.
like half of that, and then you can go.
Honestly, what is this?
I think he's stealing.
Do you have any books on you?
No.
I don't trust him, bro.
You wanna search me?
I mean,
I just gave him a good pat down, but like he wanted to let me touch his bum though, so I feel like there might be something back there.
we got it.
That boy holding the books in between the cheeks.
Who the fuck are you, bro?
I'm Draco Malfoy. So what
Bro,
are we?
imagine though, that'd be kind of funny, bro. I wonder if I could fit a fucking book between my cheeks. Should I try that? Damn, that's crazy. Cause in my last video, I was like, damn, I'm trying not to be gay, but I think that shit in my nature, low key. Hold on, let me see if I put a big between my cheeks. Hold on, wait, hold on, man. There's a side video, bro. You know our reactions are different, bro. Fuck. No homo, y'all. Let me just see if I can put this. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I know y'all peep the silk pajamas, but listen, bro. If I wanted to steal a fucking Bible from the lecture hall, bro, if I'm trying to steal a textbook, if you try to steal a textbook, I'm your guy. I could fit at least 4 in that motherfucker, bro. I know they're expensive, bro. I'm not cheap though.
Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff. Slytherin, okay.
Oh!
Not Marquez Brown
Niggas
anymore.
on campus.
Draco Malfoy. I don't do paper. I only do.
Oh, another one.
The Ukrainians have a right to fight.
That's
back.
3.
I don't do paper though.
I don't care if you do paper or not. I'm looking for revolutionaries.
I-
Looking
the
for
fuck is he
people who wanna
talking
take
about?
this whole system down.
Bro, I'm a
Okay?
veteran. Like, do you need me?
What kind of veteran are you?
Bro, I
Mouse
served
at?
in Newtown.
Well, I think it's better to
What's wrong with my mouse?
fighting the powers, fucking over the system.
Bro, give me a Glock and a Hellcat.
Take a look at this.
Bro, but I don't do paper though. I just
Bro,
told
my
you
mouse
that.
is fucking.
Get away. We don't need the people who aren't serious. If you're not serious,
I'm serious, but I don't do paper, bro. You're literally killing the environment.
We're moving on. You go ahead, have your lunch.
No, bro, I'm going to class.
Go to
I'm a
class
scholar.
then. Go to class.
Wow, this hoe is Hogwarts. I'm sorry,
No,
Professor.
God.
Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Oh, okay. Where do you want me to go?
Get the fuck
Right.
out. It's because he's black. Hey, say you black.
How you gonna tell me I'm not in this class?
run this class. So leave, or I'll call the police.
Professor, I just want to take my notes.
Leave.
Are you denying me education?
They are. Oh, he's still
I'm
sat
gonna take some
down.
notes.
No, leave.
I gotta catch up.
Leave.
Professor, I have to catch up.
Oh, that's
Can I please
fucked
have
up,
my
bro.
typewriter back? Professor.
Oh, that's fucked up, man. George Washington ass nigga just
my
took his
bad,
typewriter,
Professor.
bro.
Does anybody
I know he was taking notes with that when he was in college. Oh, that's nigga, bro. You can't just take my guy typewriter like that, bro. That's messed up.
else have an extra?
Nah, but that's really messed up though, because he doesn't really know if he's in his class. You know they don't take no fucking attendance at Harvard. They don't take attendance in damn middle school anymore. Fuck.
Typewriter.
That's really
on them?
fucked up though.
The other professor just stole my typewriter. That was so disrespectful. Did you see that?
Yes.
I did. I All right, leave.
Professor, that was so disrespectful.
And put your bloody mask on.
Yes, sir.
You're not allowed in here. You're trespassing.
I know Black History Month's over, but like, can I?
Fine. Now, get out of here.
That's really
No,
fucked
no,
up
no.
though.
You don't gotta get up.
Out you go.
Sorry, Professor. Have a nice day, Professor. Love you. I got kicked out like in like 2.2 seconds.
That's the fifth. That's the fourth black guy we see there. If there's one more, that's all the students. That's all the black students.
Like
there
he
is.
kicked me out.
Like the British.
Their nigga senses were kicking in, so they knew there's another black guy on campus. You ever see how like, bro, all the black people in Japan know each other? All the black people on Harvard know each other.
Yeah. Is he
I'm just capping, y'all. There might be a lot of black people on Harvard. I'm just joking.
a professor or like what is he?
He is one of the lecturers, but he's not lecturing today.
Bro, wait, Vito, we didn't come all the way here to. Bro, look at the second floor. Professor, can you repeat that last thing real quick?
Damn, them motherfuckers are performing, bro. She on the stage. Bro, Harvard's a different league, bro.
I'm just taking notes.
Dude, I could have probably went there if I applied myself. But fuck it. Here we are.
Oh, this is hilarious.
Professor,
He really
break my
takes...
typewriter.
I don't care.
Professor, stop.
All right, let's get you out.
Professor, that's my satchel. Bro, I'll get it back in blood if I have to. I'm too shifty. Oh, is this what happens at Harvard? Hey, Professor, can you be quiet? I'm trying to take notes.
God, that's so funny.
He said kill that. He said 3 of that motherfucker.
Brody left
3 did.
everything here
He
except
did.
for the typewriter. Have you guys seen an
Oh.
angry British man with a typewriter? He did. That was $150.
He broke that
Yo,
hoe
give me
that
a
garden
Harry
too.
Potter name to call him. Professor Snape or Snape? Snape. Professor Snape. Can I have my typewriter back? Why'd you throw it away?
I didn't throw it away. I said I put it on the trash.
But can I ask you what I did that was so bad?
I'm not interested in a debate with you. You came with a deliberate.
Well, I thought this was a
Call him the N-word.
Disrupt class. It's incredibly funny. Really clever games are just disrupting class.
Bro, I know you got proper English and everything, but like you don't gotta be mean to me.
The police are coming. You can't disturb a class. This is like sacred.
I literally didn't even say anything.
Yeah, bro, Harvard niggas, bro, like, fuck, bro. It's just a college, bro. Bro, I watched this, what's that social media with Mark Zuckerberg, bro? And they were in that one club on that, what's that movie, bro? The Social Experiment, whatever the fuck it's called, the Social Media Project, bro, with the Facebook, bro. They were in the Harvard club. They were like, oh, this is sacred. My nigga, you was born 20 years ago. The college is 5,000 years old. It's not sacred to you. But hey, shit, I dropped out, bro. I don't know.
Really?
Professor Scape, can you please not touch my camera?
Why is this the PS5? That's the PS5?
He's gaming right now.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thanks.
See you later, Professor. Why is he giving Bozo? Thank you. Yeah. Can you hold this for me?
What, Grandma?
How much
My grandma hanging over there, y'all. L Grandma in the comments.
time do I have before
If y'all got this far, put L Grandma.
12 gets here? Okay.
Right now, put L Grandma.
You don't have an ID?
If I show you my ID, can I go back into class?
I'm going to assume you don't have an ID, so we got...
You shouldn't assume things. That's like assuming gender. Like, that's not good. All right. If 12 come by here and, like, ask,
That's the 5th black guy. Or is that the same one?
I'm a white guy with, like, a 6'6" black filmer. Well, like, throw them off my trail. Wait, behind us?
Yeah.
How you doing, officer? I was trying to take notes.
Okay.
And professor got mad, and he broke my typewriter.
Okay.
And he asked us to leave, so we left.
Are you a Harvard student?
No, I'm trying to though.
Okay.
I'm trying to grind my like attributes up, because my mom always told me education is the only way out.
Sure. Problem is that you need to be a Harvard student in order to take a class.
But I thought education was free. I thought that was like in the amendments.
It's not here, no.
I read it in the 10 Commandments. It said that education is for all.
It's here.
Okay.
You shouldn't go into any Harvard buildings if you're not affiliated.
Like my shit IQ is like off the charts, but like academically, like I feel like I can get better. Cause I'm pretty sure like as long as you've been here, like you probably got like 10 times smarter, huh?
I think maybe just by osmosis, yeah, who knows. Apparently the professor's pretty upset.
He was very mad. On my side, there's no beef. Like I'm not gonna slide from my typewriter. I won't.
All right, definitely don't go in any Harvard buildings.
Okay.
Okay.
W police officer.
Sorry for the.
Back to blue. Blue lives matter. Nah, nigga, fuck troll. No, I'm just playing.
Disruption.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, if he says I can come back, like just let me know.
I will.
Just hit me up on WhatsApp.
The best part about your videos is you keep it positive through all the pranks.
I try.
You do be positive.
I mean, this isn't very positive. We got a broken typewriter. Hey, you guys get a great education. I'm gonna get out of here before I really get in trouble. You guys be safe. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like that went as horrible as it could have, and also as best as it could have.
Dude, that was a W still.
Yo.
I just ran out of school.
Appreciate you. Yo.
I fucking love you.
Well, what's good, G?
I fucking love you.
Yo, man, appreciate you, dogs, man.
Your videos, bro? Cheer me the fuck up.
Thank you, bro. Hey, I appreciate you trying to defend me. I'm not gonna lie, we're like super lucky not to like
Get arrested,
be in any
nigga.
trouble.
Yeah, bro.
I already knew you were saying some fuck shit.
Bro, I literally didn't do nothing. I mean, I guess I was being annoying, but like, I'm always annoying.
I'm actually glad I got to meet the guy from TikTok.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Sorry, guys. We didn't get a thumbie, so we got a face rugged. I was wondering if you could help me make a thumbnail for my YouTube channel.
Please, oh, W.
Nice, Brody. Would you be down to help me like make a thumbnail for my YouTube channel?
Sure, I'm done.
Oh, Dubs. Let's go,
Look
baby.
at me like y'all are pissed and like annoyed. I know you guys are like super nice people, so you. Oh, that was perfect. You literally just like.
That's a regular face.
How's that look, Vito?
I don't even smoke weed.
Oh, wait. How does the thumbnail look now? I gotta see.
Used to be my girl, used to be.
See how the thumbnail look. Man, where the fuck the thumbnail at, bitch? Hold on, we about to go to the thumbnail. Hold on, wait, y'all. Hold on, wait. I know the reaction's over, but I want to see the thumbnail. All right, guys, that was definitely a W thumbnail right there. W video. Let's catch you guys later. Peace out.